科学，科学，科学。
Science.
Science.
所有的科学结论都来自于实验。所有的科学结论都来自于实验。所有的科学结论都来自于实验。
All scientific conclusions come from experiments.
All scientific conclusions come from experiments.
随着科学技术的发展，人们的生活变得越来越方便。随着科学技术的发展，人们的生活变得越来越方便。随着科学技术的发展，人们的生活变得越来越方便。
With the development of science and technology, people's lives have become more and more convenient.
With the development of science and technology, people's lives have become more and more convenient.
科学研究证明，学音乐确实可以让人变得更聪明。科学研究证明，学音乐确实可以让人变得更聪明。科学研究证明，学音乐确实可以让人变得更聪明。
Scientific research proves that learning music can indeed make people smarter.
Scientific research proves that learning music can indeed make people smarter.
证明，证明，证明。
Prove.
Prove.
警方证明了他不在场的证据。警方证明了他不在场的证据。警方证明了他不在场的证据。
Police proved his alibi.
Police proved his alibi.
研究证明冥想对健康很有帮助。研究证明冥想对健康很有帮助。研究证明冥想对健康很有帮助。
Studies have proven that meditation is beneficial to health.
Studies have proven that meditation is beneficial to health.
所有证据都证明他的死是他杀而非自杀。所有证据都证明他的死是他杀而非自杀。所有证据都证明他的死是他杀而非自杀。
All evidence points to her death being a homicide and not a suicide.
All evidence points to her death being a homicide and not a suicide.
往往，往往，往往。
Often. Frequently.
Often. Frequently.
有幽默感的人往往会给别人带来欢乐。有幽默感的人往往会给别人带来欢乐。有幽默感的人往往会给别人带来欢乐。
People with a sense of humor tend to bring joy to others.
People with a sense of humor tend to bring joy to others.
一个小细节往往能够反映一个人的性格。一个小细节往往能够反映一个人的性格。一个小细节往往能够反映一个人的性格。
A small detail can often reflect a person's character.
A small detail can often reflect a person's character.
极端天气往往对社会造成严重影响。极端天气往往对社会造成严重影响。极端天气往往对社会造成严重影响。
Extreme weather often has serious impacts on society.
Extreme weather often has serious impacts on society.
阳光，阳光，阳光。
Sunlight. Sunshine. Cheerful.
Sunlight. Sunshine. Cheerful.
他性格比较阳光， 开朗又乐观。他性格比较阳光，开朗又乐观。他性格比较阳光，开朗又乐观。
She has a sunny personality, cheerful and optimistic.
She has a sunny personality, cheerful and optimistic.
性格阳光的人对生活充满热情，温婉周围的人。性格阳光的人对生活充满热情，温婉周围的人。性格阳光的人对生活充满热情，温婉周围的人。
People with sunny personalities are passionate about life and warm the people around them.
People with sunny personalities are passionate about life and warm the people around them.
只有热爱生活，生活才会充满阳光和希望。只有热爱生活，生活才会充满阳光和希望。只有热爱生活，生活才会充满阳光和希望。
Only by loving life can life be full of sunshine and hope.
Only by loving life can life be full of sunshine and hope.
植物需要阳光来制造食物。植物需要阳光来制造食物。植物需要阳光来制造食物。
Plants need sunlight to make food.
Plants need sunlight to make food.
积极，积极，积极。
Positive. Proactive.
Positive. Proactive.
性格阳光的人，往往每天都充满活力，积极向上。性格阳光的人，往往每天都充满活力，积极向上。性格阳光的人，往往每天都充满活力，积极向上。
People with sunny personalities tend to be energetic and positive every day.
People with sunny personalities tend to be energetic and positive every day.
我们必须采取积极行动来解决这个问题。我们必须采取积极行动来解决这个问题。我们必须采取积极行动来解决这个问题。
We must take proactive action to address this issue.
We must take proactive action to address this issue.
他的工作态度认真、负责又积极，前途一片光明。他的工作态度认真、负责又积极，前途一片光明。他的工作态度认真、负责又积极，前途一片光明。
His work attitude is serious, responsible and positive, and his future is bright.
His work attitude is serious, responsible and positive, and his future is bright.
特点，特点，特点。
Characteristic.
Characteristic.
健康食品的特点是高纤维、低饱和脂肪、低热量等。健康食品的特点是高纤维、低饱和脂肪、低热量等。健康食品的特点是高纤维、低饱和脂肪、低热量等。
Healthy foods are characterized by high fiber, low saturated fat, low calories, etc.
Healthy foods are characterized by high fiber, low saturated fat, low calories, etc.
双胞胎有共同的身体特征和特点。双胞胎有共同的身体特征和特点。双胞胎有共同的身体特征和特点。
Twins share physical features and characteristics.
Twins share physical features and characteristics.
父母应该根据孩子的性格特点进行引导。父母应该根据孩子的性格特点进行引导。父母应该根据孩子的性格特点进行引导。
Parents should guide according to their children's personality characteristics.
Parents should guide according to their children's personality characteristics.
谢谢观看。